Hi guys, I'm Sunny. Our company has developed a new product recently, this chocolate food 3D printer. Now let me introduce you about this 3D printer features. Number one, this printer compatible with a variety of ingredients including chocolate, jam, salad dressings, cheese or cream, and other flowable and particle-free foods. Chocolate that can solidify quickly is better with a printing temperature of 32 to 34 degrees Celsius. For chocolate tube, we use sterile disposable syringes like this, which is compliant with food and drug hygiene standard. It's affordable, so that you can buy it in your local at a very cheap price. We adopt magnetic section steel plate and this food pad as its platform, so that it's easier for you to remove the mold from the bed. This printer has an automatic level system which makes printing first layer more smoothly, and this printer is pre-assembled a printer and it can be assembled within 10 minutes. Here is our 3.2-inch colorful screen controller. We use a larger proportion reduction motor and a high torque motor, which is more than 10 times of the torque of a regular motor. This printer has a function of continuous printing after power failure. And our operating screen supports 10 languages: English, Chinese, Japanese, French, Portuguese, Turkish, German, Spanish, Italian, and Russian.